Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, this is Pratik Shrivastava here, and in our today's video, I am going to discuss TCS NQT May 2021 aptitude questions. Okay, so friends, what you are going to learn in this video? So shortcut to solve the problem quickly, because in the examination, speed and accuracy plays a very important role. Okay, and you will be seeing TCS NQT May 2021 question. That means this year in the month of May, whatever questions were asked, so that questions I will be discussing with you. And what are the topics covered? So friends, basically I have taken question from statistics, which is a very important topic, and then time and work, data sufficiency, time and distance, compound interest, and one question from simplification. So from 6 topics I have taken one question. So question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so please watch the video till the end, because you are going to learn a lot of new things which you are definitely not aware. Okay, now, so question number 1, if m and m are the mean and median respectively of the numbers, what is the correct relation between m and m? Now this question you need to solve in 30 seconds. Okay, see, basically the time limit which you will be getting is around 1.4 minute, okay, or 1 minute, but you can easily solve in 30 seconds. But first let me solve in 2 to 3 minutes, because I need to explain you here, and once you understand the concept, the short tricks, then you will be able to solve in 30 seconds. So the question is 2, 6, 10, okay, 14, 18, 22, 26 and 30. These are the number for which we need to calculate mean and median, and then you have to tell if they are equal or not. So what will be mean? So you know mean is nothing but average. Mean is nothing but average. Okay, now, so friends, you can see the difference between the numbers are same. The difference between the numbers are same. So if the difference between number are same, if the difference between the numbers are same, then your mean or average will become first number plus last number divided by 2. That means 2 plus 30 divided by 2. So 32 by 2 will be equal to 16. Okay, so if the difference between the number is same, or you can say if there is a common difference, or you can also say if the numbers are in arithmetic progression. This all these tricks I would have taught you if you have attended my classes in average. So if the difference between the numbers are same, if there is a common difference, or if the numbers are in arithmetic progression, then my mean will be first number plus last number divided by 2. So mean is nothing but 16. Now let us calculate median. Okay, now, so friends, before you calculate median, you need to arrange the numbers in ascending order, बढ़ते क्रम में, ascending order. But here we can see the numbers are already in increasing order, right? Already in ascending order, so do not have to arrange. Okay, now, so what is the number? How many number of terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have total 8 numbers are there. So how many middle numbers I have? So I have 2 middle numbers, right? See, if it will be 7, if the numbers will be 7, then I will have only one middle number. But if I have the even number of numbers, right, that means I have now 8 numbers here, then I have 2 middle numbers. 2 middle numbers means what I have to do, the both middle number I have to add, and then I have to divide by 2. So it will be 32 by 2, that is nothing but 16. So we say mean is equals to median. That means the option D will be the correct answer. Trust me, this question is very, very easy, but knowing this concept was very, very important. Statistics is one of the very important topic. Okay, so the link for the basic class will be given in description. Friends, always please check out the description, because many of the link I will give in description which you might miss it. Okay, now, so sir, you said that you will solve in 30 seconds. Can you tell me how? I will tell you, do not worry. See, these are the numbers I have. You can see the time. Okay, now m and m are mean and median. So as I can see, the difference between the numbers are same. That means my mean will become the first number plus last number. That means 30 plus 2, 32 by 2 will become 16. Mean is this. What about median? So how many numbers are there? 8 numbers are there. then the middle numbers divided by 2. So 14 plus 18, 32 by 2, that is 16. Bhaiya, mean and median is equal. Okay, mean and median is equal. See, for having this, solving this in 30 seconds, what you need to know is the concept. If you are lagging with concept, then 2 minutes is also not sufficient for you. And then you will come out and say, sir, the question is having a fixed timing. It is not only for you, it is for everyone, whoever is writing the test, for everyone. Okay. Now, the question number 2 belongs to time and work. Again, let me take some time to explain you, and then I will show you. You could have also solved it if within 30 seconds or maximum 40-50 seconds, not more than that. So Ram can complete 50% of the work in 4 days. By a 50%, so Ram is able to complete 50% of the work in 4 days. So if Ram wants to complete 100% work, then Ram will take 8 days. That's all. See, आधा काम हम लोग 4 दिन में करते हैं, तो पूरा काम 8 दिन में. 50% work 4 days, then 100% work Ram will be doing in 8 days. Clear? Okay, Ram clear. Then Harish. So Harish can complete, then Harish can complete 1/3 of the work in 4 days. So 1/3 of the work in 4 days. 1/3 work 4 दिन में. Then 100% work. That means one work Harish will be able to do 4 into 3. That means nothing but 12 days. See, this is unitary method. But now you are not a kid, so that I should tell you all those things. But anyway, 1/3 work in 4 days. So one work, so 4 into 3 by 1. It will get interchanged. So 4 into 3 will be 12. So 1/3 काम 4 दिन में. So पूरा काम so 12 दिन में. Okay, now step 3. So Chirag can complete 1/6 of the work in. So Chirag is able to complete 1/6 of the work in how many days? 4 days. So Chirag will be able to complete one work in how many days? 4 into 6. That means 24 days. Chirag will be able to complete 1/6 part of the work. Friends, however, see, basic method will be very, very simple so that you can use it. Okay. Now, so I know Ram can do in 8 days. Harish can do it in 12 days, and Chirag can do it in 24 days. So when they will be able to complete the work? So take LCM. Okay. So time and work using the LCM method I have taught you. So you can refer that. So once you take LCM, it will become your work. 8 3s are 12 2s are 24 1s are. Okay. That means Ram, Harish and Chirag can complete 6 work in a day. Can complete 6 work in a day. So total work is 24. So total work they will be taking 4 days. 100% of the work they will do in 4 days. But they are asking, bhaiya, 50% of the work they will do in how many days? So 50% of the work they will be doing in 2 days. So this is the complete process to solve this. So this is LCM technique, LCM method to solve your time and work problem. So 2 things, unitary method plus this was involved. Okay. Now, so what you have to do is you have to be good at unitary method. Okay. And then you see how easily you will be able to solve. So Ram will be able to complete. So you note down the time. So Ram will be able to complete 50% of the work in 4 days. Then total work Ram will complete in 8 days. Harish 1/3 in 4 days. So 3 into 8 will be 3 into 4 will be 12. So Harish will be able to do in 12 days. Chirag 1/6 in 4 days. So 6 into 4 will be 24. Right now, if we'll take the LCM, so 24. Now 24 divided by 8 3s are 12 2s are 24 1s are by 6. So 4 days 100% work. 2 days they will be able to complete 50% of the work. So we have used LCM method. Okay. And friends, one more thing in my LCM method I have told, it's not necessary to take always LCM. You will say, sir, how fast you are taking the LCM? How we will be able to take? So it's not necessary to take LCM. You think about a number. You think about a number which is divisible by 8, 12 and 24. For definitely, friends, for this you need to learn the basics of time and work which I have taught. Okay. So 24 is a number which will be divisible by all 3. Take that. Somebody, sir, I want to take 48. You take, man. Nobody will stop you, and you will be also getting the same answer. So 48 also you can take. 48 will be divisible by 8, 12 and 24. Okay. Now question number 3. So question number 3 is a very good question, but I will tell you one formula. Using that formula, you will be able to do it very fast. Okay, now, so Rama traveled. So first let me write the formula and then explain you the things. Then I will be directly solving the question in that particular second. Okay, so the formula will be distance is S1 S2 divided by S1 minus S2 into delta of T. So this is the formula we have to use for this kind of question. Which type of question we will understand. So Rama traveled at 7 km per hour and missed a train by 7 minutes. That means suppose Rama from her home, okay, she traveled with a speed of 7 km per hour, but she missed the train by 7 minutes. That means she is reaching 7 minutes late. So suppose she had to reach by 9 a.m. Sir, why you were taking 9 a.m.? Bhaiya, you take 12 a.m., 15 a.m., whatever you want, you take, man, that doesn't matter. Okay. See, just I wanted to tell you here. So Rama was 7 minutes late. However, if she traveled, okay, so however, if she traveled at 7 km per 10 km per hour, she would have reached the station 5 minutes before. That means she would have reached at 8:55 a.m. only. So suppose she has to reach at 9 a.m. So in this case, she will be reaching 5 minutes early, means 8:55 a.m. So what is the time gap here? You can see. So the time gap here is nothing but 5 minutes here and 7 minutes here. 12 minutes is the time gap. Okay. So 12 minutes is the time gap. 8:55 plus 5 will be 9 and then 7 minutes more. So 5 plus 7 total 12 minutes is the time gap. Now, so S1 into S2. So my speed is 7 into 10 divided by 10 minus 7. Sir, I should take S1 minus S2 or S2 minus S1. See, you take S1 minus S2 or S2 minus S1, no problem. If you are getting negative, just make it positive because distance will never be minus. I traveled minus 10 kilometer. No way. That will not happen. See, if you are going in wrong direction also, you are covering some distance. So minus 10 kilometer, minus 10 hours. So time, speed and distance will never be into your minus, okay, into delta T. So it is 12 minutes. Okay, 12 minutes. But you see, this is in kilometer per hour. This is also in kilometer per hour. So this time difference also we need to convert into hour. How will you convert? So 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Okay. So, or you can write like this because you wanted to convert minute into hour. So 60 minutes will be 1 hour. So 1 minute will be 1 by 60 hours. So 12 minutes will be equal to 12 by 60 hours. Okay. So 12 divided by 60, this will get converted into hour. That's all. So 12 fives are, and this will be 70 divided by 3 by 5. Okay. So 14 fives will be 70, 14 by 3. So 3 4s will be, so use that option. Now do not start 14 divided by 3. So 3 4s will be 12, 2. Oh, then 3 6 will be 18. See, you are wasting the time where it is not required, right? Okay. So you can directly do it. Okay. So there are actually two options starting with 4. So see, 3 4 will be 12, 3 6. So stop it here itself. 4.67 kilometer. Okay. So do not sit and aram say you start doing it. Okay. So you know, right? So I'm sorry, there are two options. So you can directly see it. 3 4 12. So instead of doing this, you try like this. 3 4 will be 12. So 2 will come down. 3 6. Okay, that's all. 4.67 kilometer will be the correct answer. Okay. See, there might be only one option with starting with 4. So all those things you need to look in the examination. Okay. So this habit you need to leave it. This habit you need to live it. Okay. Because till then you are not living these habits, then nothing is going to happen quick. Okay. Because you need the speed now. So Rama traveled. Okay. So I read the question and understood. So 7 minutes late or 5 minutes early. So S1, S2. This formula also writing is not required. Okay. So 7 into 10 divided by 10 minus 7 into 12 minute. Okay. Difference 7 and 5. Total 12 minute. Okay. 7 plus 5 will be 12 minutes. Okay. Convert it to 1010 cancel. 6 2s are. So 14 by 3. 14 by 3. 3 4s are 12. 6. 3 6 are 18. So 4.67 kilometer. Option C will be the correct answer. See, before your exam, you should have practiced all this kind of question, right? And practicing the previous year question will always help you because that kind of questions you are going to encounter in the exam. Now, friends, question number 4. So question number 4 is a question from compound interest, and this is one of the best question what has been asked in the TCS NQT May 2020 examination. Sohan took a loan of 10,000 rupees at 20% per annum compound interest, compounded annually. At the end of each year, he pays back 5,000 rupees. How much should he pay at the end of third year to clear all his dues? So 10,000 rupees he is taking loan, and his rate of interest is nothing but 20%. Okay. Now, so friends, one thing which you have to keep in mind, compound interest will be always calculated on amount. Okay. Now, so let us see amount, you know, right? So amount will be principal plus interest both. So when principal and interest gets added, that is nothing but your amount. So first year 20% interest you have to give. So 20%, friends, if you'll calculate, then 20 by 100, it will be nothing but 2000. But do not calculate like this. Okay. See, 20% means, right, 20% here. Okay. So this percentage will take 20 off. So 20 into 100 will be 2000 rupees. So first year you need to give interest as 2000. Okay. So at the end of 1 year, 10,000 rupees is your principal and 2000 rupees now became your interest. And how much you are paying? You are paying only 5,000 rupees. See, 10,000 rupees loan you have taken, and after 1 year you also need to give 2,000 rupees interest, but you are only paying 5,000 rupees. So how much still money will be remaining? So 12 minus 5, 7,000 rupees still will be remaining. Now next year what will happen? Again 20% interest you have to give on 7,000 rupees. So this percentage will take 20 off. So 7 into 2 will be 1400. That means you have principal 7,000 rupees now, and 1,400 rupees again became interest. Okay. Now again you paid 5,000 rupees out of that. So it will become 2,000 and plus 1,400. So 3,400. Now again 3,400 rupees you have, and third year also 20% interest you have to give. This percentage will take 20 off. So 680 rupees interest. That means 3,400 rupees is your principal, and now 680 rupees the interest for that principal. So total 4080 rupees now you have to give, and so that your all dues will be clear. So at the end of the year, how much money Sohan has to pay? Sir, 4080 rupees, so that he will be 4,080 rupees, so that he will be able to clear all his dues. Okay. So this is one compound interest problem, and again I will say this is not tough. Okay. I will tell you how. So this is the process you might have understood now. So you can see, so he has taken 10,000 at 20%. So the first year 20% of 10,000 will be 2,000. So first year 12,000 rupees. Out of that 5,000 rupees he is giving. So 7,000 rupees still he is there. Then again 20%. So 20% of this will be what? 1400. 7 into 2 will be 14. So now second year 8,400. He is again giving 5,000 rupees. So it will become 3,400. Now again 20%. Okay. Now again 20% in the third year. So it will be 680. That means if he gives 3,400 and plus 680 rupees. So if he give 4,080 rupees, then all his dues will be clear and he will be free from the loan amount. So option B for the fourth question is the correct answer. Now friends, question number 5. So it's an easy problem. So it's a simplification problem. So the price of 6 pencil plus 7 eraser. So you have to make 2 linear equation and then solve. Okay, is equals to 12 rupees. And the price of 2 pencil plus 14 eraser will be equal to 18 rupees. So this you multiply by 12 because I want to solve this linear equation. So 6 into 2 will be 12 pencil plus 14 eraser will be equal to 24 rupees, and 2 pencil plus 14 eraser will be equal to 18 rupees. Now, so just subtract it. So this will get cancelled. 10p will be equal to 6. Okay. So 1 pencil cost will be 6 by 10. That is nothing but 3 by 5 rupees. Okay. Now, so put the pencil price in the first equation. So 6 into 3 by 5 plus 7 eraser will be equal to 12. Okay. Now, so 7 eraser will be equal to 12 minus 18 by 5. So 7 eraser will be equal to 60 minus 18. I have just taken the LCM divided by 5. So 7 eraser will be equal to 42 by 5. So 7 6 ja, that means 1 eraser cost will be 6 by 5 rupees and 1 pencil cost is 3 by 5. Now we have to find out 5 pencil plus 5 eraser cost. So 5 into 3 by 5 plus 5 into 6 by 5. 5 5 cancel, 5 5 cancel. 6 plus 3 will be 9. So 9 rupees. That means option D will become the correct answer for your question number 5. Okay. So I hope this will be clear. Now question number 6 is a data sufficiency problem. So given below is a question followed by 3 statements 1, 2 and 3, each containing some information. Decide which of the given statement is correct. Okay. Now, so x is greater than y by 8. So x will be equal to y plus 8. Okay. So x is greater than y by 8. Okay. Now 30% of y. So 30% of y is equals to 20% of x, right? Okay. So 30 by 100 into y is equals to 20 by 100 into x. So 100 and 100 cancel, 1010 cancel. So 3y is equals to 2x. Okay. So here 3y is equals to 2x. You could have done it directly. See, percentage and percentage will get cancelled, 0 and 0 will get cancelled. So 3y will be equal to 2x. Learn to do the things in a easier way. Okay. Now, so what I will do, so y will be nothing but equal to 2x by 3. Okay. So here I will put x. Now I will put this in equation 1. Okay. See, from the equation 1 alone, I am not able to answer. Equation 2 alone, I am not able to answer. So y I will put 2x by 3 plus 8. Now x minus 2x by 3 will be equal to 8. So 3x minus 2x, that means x by 3 will be equal to 8 and x will be equal to 24. That means if I am using a statement 1 and 2 together, if I am using a statement 1 and 2 together is sufficient to answer the question. So this will become the correct one. Okay. But see, why I am telling this will be the correct one, because either one will be true. See, either statement 1 and 2 is answered sufficient to answer the question, or statement 2 and 3 together is sufficient to answer the question. Okay. Here they are telling all 3 together. No, that is not there. All 3 together is not required. We are able to get only from 1 and 2 itself. Okay. Now, if you want to check 2 and 3, so 2 I know, 3y is equals to 2x. Okay. And the third one, if you'll see, the ratio between 1/3 of x is equals to, the ratio between 1/3 of x and 1/4 of y is equals to 2:1. So this will be nothing but, okay, we have to simplify, right? So x by 3 and divided by, this will become what? Y by 4 is equals to 2 by 1. Okay, so now x by 3 into 4 by y is equals to 2 by 1. So 2 2s are. So 2x will become equal to 3y. So from equation 3 we are getting 3y is equals to 2x. So equation 3 also same and equation 2 also same. So we will not be able to solve with the help of 2 and 3. So that is also gone. Okay. But if there would have one more option, that 1 and 3. So statement 1 and 3, then that also would have been correct. Okay. But anyway, they will not give statement 1 and 2 and statement 1 and 3, because only one. See, both will correct. You cannot mark 2 options, right? So you have to mark only one option. So it will go with only option 1 here. Okay. So if you have any doubt, please put a comment. Definitely I will try to answer here. But whatever questions we have discussed today are very important question. And if you learn this, then definitely you are going to do well in your examination. And friends, if you like the video, please do comment, like and share with your friends, so that it will help to each and all who is looking for the free preparation of TCS. Thank you.